Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem related to the permutations and combination. So the problem is, in a sports meet for senior citizens organized by the Rotary Club. So 9 married couples participated in table tennis mixed doubles event. So the number of ways in which the mixed double team can be made so that no husband and wife play in the same set is. So the problem is, in a sports meet for a senior citizen organized by a Rotary Club, 9 married couples participated in the table tennis mixed doubles. So mixed doubles means one man is there and one woman is there. Okay, as a team they will play, right? So the number of ways in which the mixed double team can be made so that no husband and wife will play in the same set. So that means actually we cannot make a mixed double team with husband and wife. So if one pair husband is there, the wife should be from the other pair, right? So this is the problem. So how we can form a mixed double team to play the same set where husband and wives are from different pairs, right? So how many are there? Total 9 couples are there. 9 couples attended. 9 couples participated. So 9 couples means 9 men is there and 9 women are there. Okay, so that means let us assume now the number of ways. So to play a same set, actually we need 2 teams. So 2 teams means we need 2 men and 2 women. Okay, so that means we need 2 men and 2 women we need. So the number of ways of selecting 2 men out of 9 is going to be equal to 9C2. Okay, 9C2. So now since 2, now we have to select this one we have selected. So that means 2 men we selected, right? So now we have to select the 2 women. But before selecting the 2 men, we have to remember that now since 2 men is already selected, so 2 men are already selected, so we cannot select their wives. So 2 men is already selected, so that means actually we cannot select their wives. So initially 9 women are there. After selecting 2 women, we left with only 7 women. Why? Because we already selected the 2 men, so we cannot select their wives. So that's why we left with only 7 women. So now the number of ways of selecting 2 women from 7 is equal to 7C2. So the number of ways of selecting 2 men and 2 women is equal to 9c2 into 7c2. Okay, 9c2 into 7c2, right? So now we have selected the 4 people, out of which 2 men are there, 2 women are there, right? So to form a group, actually we have selected 2 men and 2 women, but by using the 2 women and 2 men we can form 2 teams, right? So that's why we multiply this 9c2 into 7c2 into 2. Okay, 9c2 into 7c2 into 2. So this one will give the total number of ways in which a mixed double team can be made, so that no husband and wife will play in the same set. So this one will give the total. So I hope this one is clear why you are multiplying with 2. Let us assume we have selected 2 men m1 m2 and 2 women w1 and w2. So m1 may join with w1 or w2, or m2 may join with w1 or w2. So that's why 2 possibilities are there to form a team out of these selected 2 men and 2 women. So that's why we are multiplying this one with 2. Okay, so I hope you got that. So 9c2 is going to be equal to 9 factorial by 9 minus 2 is 7 factorial into 2 factorial. 7c2 is going to 7 factorial, 7 minus 2 is 5 factorial into 2 factorial into 2. So this is going to be equal to 7 factor cancel, remaining is 8 into 9. 5 factor here cancel, remaining one is 6 comma 7 by 2 into 2 into 2. So this one is cancel, and 2 4 ja. Okay, 4 9 the 36 and 7 0 42. So this is going to be equal to, if you multiply this one, you will get 1512. So these are actually the number of ways in which mixed double team can be made, so that no husband and wife will play in the same set. Okay, so I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.